are going to do for tanning. I go to tan, I want to get a color, but I put a sunscreen to protect myself. It's anyways sunscreen دائما فيه 50% protection. And to not be exposed. So we have many types of breast cancer. Even if La samah Allah, someone found a lump in the breast and they thought that it might be a cancer, they will go and check. There is a risk, there is an option. It might be a benign cancer or a malignant cancer. A benign cancer is just an abnormal cells that are replicating inside the breast. It will not cause anything. Maybe it will lead to, if you have, La samah Allah, if anyone knows that they have a high risk of breast cancer, they will prevent themselves by taking good diet, stopping their smoking, for example, not to smoke, exercise, do screening and examination just to control. If something happens, if you know it earlier, it's better than later, right? For example, my grandmother has a breast cancer. I'm not at risk of having a breast cancer. My mom is at risk of having breast cancer because she's a first relative. Okay? But for me, I'm not at risk. I should do a good examination, take care of my health, and stop, for example, contraception. I don't put myself in a risk. Because I don't know, maybe my grandmother had it because of a genetic disposition, or it was just a normal replication.